Students, good afternoon.
ಹೌದೌದು.
Listen here. Today I am going to start lesson called as a life. We are studying. We are going to study about the life. What do you mean by life? What is the important thing in this life? How the life is valuable. Life is really valuable, I think.
Yes.
But we have to make use of our life. That's the point. Let us start. Before that, we are going to go for warming up. We should have to take some what you call previous knowledge about it. Then what do you mean by life? Some people say life is a game. Then we have to say play it well. If life is a game, we have to play it well. It means is that life is a playing thing? No. But we have to use our life for good purpose, best purpose. Second, some people will say that life is a journey. Yes, really, life is a journey. Yes, and keep going ahead. It is a journey. We have to lead our life this way, that way. But we have to use that life in for proper purpose, in a proper manner. Yes. Then, better to start this poem. Life 1.1. Life. Life. Life, before look at life belief is not a dream. Before going to start our this poem written by Charlotte Bronte. The poet Charlotte Bronte. Charlotte. Yes. Bronte. And written this life. Take down difficult words. Sway. Sway means control. Second, transient. Transient. That is a temporary. Third one, went. Which rise up. Lament. Express grief. Or regret. Express grief. Well, sad, end or suppress. Well means end, the end. Or suppress. Suppress, destroy, etc. Here, life is written by Charlotte Bronte, okay, and is called as a what you call novelist, English novelist and poet. Okay, look at it. Let's start. Life believe is not a dream, so dark as is. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Here, life, if you believe that life is not a dream, so dark as sages, saints, what they say, what are their statements, what are their decisions, what are their opinions about life, that life is not dream, it is a dark one. Life is dark. How it is? How can we say that life is dark? No, life is not dark at all. But sages say like that. They might have studied about that because they always away from enjoyment, etc. That's why they always say that life is a dark. But we common people we say that life is not dark. It is a dream. It is a dream. Like that we say sometimes. But sages say no. Life is not a dream. It is a dark only. But we common people what we say? Life is a dream. We have to lead our life in proper way. We have to lead our life for good purpose. We have to, if we got our life, means we have to enjoy it. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as it is say. After little morning rain, foretells a pleasant day. Little morning rain, suppose in the summer season, suppose there, if we got a morning rain, then ultimately what will happen? We feel very happy. Our day will be pleasant, our day will be so happy. We will entertain that day. Because in summer season we always face or always, yes, what you call, feel somewhat heat and hot. That's why it is a very essentiality of the coldness. And what this rain do? Rain, because of rain, we face or we feel somewhat cold, chill, etc. That's why at the time of after little morning, what it does, it foretells, it tells, it predicts a pleasant day. That this day will be good, this day will be enjoyous, this day will be entertainous because of the morning rain. Like that, see. If the morning rain entertain us, enjoy us, then why don't this life? We have to lead our life in proper way. We have to lead our life for enjoyment, etc. We have to lead our life for our duty, good things. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient clouds. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. If you see the clouds of gloom, sad clouds. Gloom means what? Sad. G-L-O-M. Gloom means sad. Suppose we always see the clouds are black colors. That time sometimes our mood sometimes bad only. That time what we think that clouds of gloom, the sad clouds which gives us sad, which what you call doesn't gives us somewhat happiness, etc. That time what we think, life is not good. But those clouds remain continuously. Those clouds are permanent? No, those clouds are not permanent, but they are transient. They are temporary. The clouds are temporary. That's why not to worry about the clouds. It means we have to take the meaning of that cloud as a unhappiness. Cloud as a unhappiness. Unhappiness doesn't remain continuous. It is a transient. It is a temporary. After finishing up our unhappiness, we will be happy. We will get the moment of happiness. That's why life is not what you call life is a dream. We have to enjoy it. Then, if the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Shower. Because of the cloud, we see that the clouds are there. This is unhappiness time. This period is very unhappy. But those clouds only gives us rain. Shower gives us shower. And those showers, what they do? They blooms the flowers. The showers helps for the blooming of flowers. It means flower means good things, beautiful things. It gives us happiness. Then because of what? How do they bloom? Because of the cloud, because of the shower. How they bloom? They bloom because of the shower. And how the shower gets? Because of the clouds. But what we say? Clouds are unhappy. No. Clouds are not unhappy. They are happy. Clouds gives us happiness. They give us shower. Shower helps the flowers to bloom. That's why what happens? We have to enjoy life. Then why lament its fall? Laments means unhappiness. No need of lament. No need of express grief. No need of what you call express our unhappiness. But we have to happy. We have to express our happy. That because of those flowers we got shower, and because of the shower the flowers bloom. Because of the blooming of the flowers, they enjoy us, they entertain us. Like that. Okay. Then rapidly, merrily, life sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Rapidly means speedily. Merrily means happily. Speedily, happily, life sunny hours flit by, goes away, finished. Because the time moving, going on, times are going on. We always say, times and time waits for none. Times and tides wait for none. It means they never think about the others. Tides and tides. If you stand in just nearby the seas or oceans, whichever the tides comes, they don't wait. That I am here. Khosar is here. That's why tides will not come nearby Khosar. No, it is not like that. Tides never waits for anybody. Okay, their continuation always. There is a continuation in the tides. Like that only, time also waits for none. Time is going on. Okay, second by second, minute by minute, hours by hours, times are going on. They flit by. But what is our duty? We have to use the time in proper way. It is our duty. We have to use that time. Okay, look here. Rapidly, merrily, life sunny hours flit by. Sunny hours means whichever sunny hours are there, daytime is there, we have to use happily, rapidly. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Look at how the time goes out, hours goes out. We have to think that, yes, before 1 hour there was a 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock. Yes, that 12 o'clock we will not get. Okay, today is 12 o'clock. The time, what was the time today, at the time of 12 o'clock, that time we will not get tomorrow. We will get the time 12 o'clock, but today's 12 o'clock time, or hours, we will not get tomorrow. Because they flit by, they ran, they flew. No, we will not get the time. Then what is our duty? We have to use such a time for betterment purpose, for good purpose, etc. Okay, I think you understood better. Gratefully, cheerily. Cheerily means what? Happily. You enjoy them as they fly. They are enjoying, they are going, the time is going. Okay, one by one, hours are going. We have to enjoy them. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy swing? Look here, what happens? What though death at times steps in? Okay, there is no guarantee when the death arrives. When the death arrives and calls our best away. Suppose there is no guarantee. There is no any perfection that when the death will come. And at the time of our best calls means what? Suppose if anybody who is very lovable, who is very nearest to us, okay, very close to us people, suppose if that particular person died, it is called as our best away. Died, it means he went away, it means he died. That time we say that our best away means that person died. Understand? Like that, what though death at times steps in and calls our best away, what though sorrow seems to win over hopeless way, we say here. Like that. Death is not guarantee. There is no guarantee for the death. Like that also, what about sorrow? Suppose if we get sorrow, if we are in sorrow, understand? Sorrow will not win us. We have to defeat the sorrow. How? Because of our hope. We have to keep hope in our mind. Understand? Then only we can win over the sorrow. Suppose if we are in unhappy mode, that time we don't take that. Unhappy mode is going to defeat us. No. We have to defeat that unhappiness. Because of some hope. We have to create some hopes. Okay. Then look here. I think you understood this stanza. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered. Though she fell, still buoyant her older wings, still strong to bear a swell. Look here, what happens? Yet hope again elastic springs. Yes, hopes, how the hopes are? Hopes are just like elastics. How much we think, how much we hope, it increases. Unconquered, they are not conquered. We will not conquer the hopes. Understand? We will not control the hopes because they are continuous. They are what you call not. They are always our hopes. We never control our hopes. Okay, that's why. Though she fell, still pointer her golden wings. Still point. Understand? Look here. Which rise up. Still the hopes always rise up because hopes have a golden wings. It means that even the golden wing means unicorn, even though hopes have a value, understand? But we have to hope good things. For hoping is not to hope is not a bad thing. Understand? Okay, everyone has to hope something. But those hopes, the matter of the hopes, okay, should be good one. Still strong to bear a swell, manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. Look here, what happens? Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. Look here, once again, yet hope began, again elastic springs, unconquered, though she fell, still buoyant on her golden wings, still strong to bear a swell. Look here, if hopes are there, whichever hopes are there, okay, they are what you call unconquered, they are unlimited hopes are there, there is no any limitations for hope, even though the hopes have a golden wings, okay, even though we can't stop the such hopes because it is our tendency of our mind that we should have hope, understand? But we have to, what happens, the hopes always point, they rise up, how much you hope they again rise up. Okay, but the only thing that here the Charlie de Bronte what he wants to say that whichever we get life, we have to enjoy it. We have to enjoy it. I think you understood also this remaining part. We will continue in next period. Just to take down homework. What do the sages say? What does the rain often OFT and often floating? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.